Bonjour! Bonjour!
No.
Time for bladder check. Check.
So it's a show?
It's a lifestyle.
It's a religion.
My emotions! My emotions!
I'm still French.
Ouais, c'est pas faux.
I'm a woman, Mary. I can be as contrary as I choose.
Non, moi je crois qu'il faut que vous arrêtiez d'essayer de dire des trucs.
Can you see it right there on the screen? I'm not sure. Hello, hi, I'm Laura. I'm gonna watch The Witcher Season 2, Episode 4. My voice is beginning to be better. Because my noise is beginning to be less. No? I have the impression? It's working. I watched already today the 3 first episodes of that Season 2. If you want to see my reaction videos about that, I'm gonna put the links into the eye. Really, you saw me evolving during the day with the fact that I'm sick. Again, it's really sunny outside, so going like that in my apartment, we are at 25 degrees, even more than that I think today. Maybe at some point I'm gonna take that off because really it's hot inside, but outside it's 8 degrees. So I got sick, it's like that. I already drank 3 teas, 2 coffees, and it's my second one. So really I'm fighting hard that thing since 3 days. And yes, now that I can hear myself, I think that it's improving. Oh, it's good. Maybe tomorrow when I'm gonna see you for the 4 last episodes, I'm gonna be okay. No matter what, I'm gonna eat that during the episode, not during this intro. The 3 first episodes of this season 2 were great. It's The Witcher, you know, we can recognize the DNA of the show with new creatures that we are fighting, that we are killing in just 1 episode because we have these little stories for 1 episode. But at the same time, we're progressing into the big story. I mean, into the big story, into the politics issues between all of the different sides. We are more discussing, you know, about these battles, this war. We're more discussing about what happened and what can happen right now, but we didn't have new battles or things like that. We'll see. You know, this thing about the elves, the fact that they want to Xintra, the fact that they can help one side, the fact that because of that the other ones are gonna be against them. So many things, and of course at the end of the last episode, Yennefer not killing that guy, it would have been, you know, a way for her to clear her name. I mean, to clear her name, no, but to make them believe into her really. But I don't know why she had to prove herself that much in front of them. Like, it was stupid in a way, and she didn't accept that, she didn't want to do that. But because of that, they're gonna think that she was a spy. Like, I'm afraid of the consequences of her action, even if I support her with that action. So yes, the big story is more included into Yennefer narrative arc than into Ciri and Geralt narrative arc, even if their story represents destiny, even if they're gonna make good things, you know, big things in the future, but for now it's more things, you know, like the 3 first episodes for now, for them, were more about their relationship, making their relationship evolve a little. Like, first episode, Ciri understanding that Geralt is there to protect her no matter what. Second episode, the fact that she can trust him and obey to him because he wants for her to be safe, and she did it, and that was alright. Third episode, she was training because she wanted to prove that she's strong, and she wanted to be able also to defend herself, to not feel weak because maybe she's feeling ashamed, guilty about what happened during the first season, and after that also because she wanted to prove to our Witcher, but also all of these Witchers, that she's strong and all. She did it and is proud of her. Really a mental relationship between these two, and it's so good to have that. For Ciri, she needs someone like him to be there for her, to protect her, but also for Geralt, for him to have someone to protect, in fact, you know. Like, he thinks that Yennefer is dead, he still doesn't know that she's alive. When these two are gonna meet again, I think that it might happen, you know, at the end of the season, like, we finished the season 1 with these two, you know, meeting and her saying, where is Yennefer? Again, it could be fun to finish the season 2 with Yennefer coming like that, presenting herself to Ciri. I'm Yennefer, like, it could be a good parallel. We'll see. So yes, Ciri and Geralt relationship evolving. Ciri is evolving, she's growing up, you know. She has maybe more confidence on herself, and maybe also she's beginning to trust other people, to think that she can do big things. I don't know. She needs to understand more who she is, you know, what she is. Also, we had that thing during the first episode about the fact that she could be like a monster. I don't know. But she said that she wants to do like the Witcher. Do you want to be a Witcher, kid? And Geralt, for him, this season is really more personal. First episode, we discovered his friend. Second and third episode, we discovered his family, his brothers, his dad, you know, like the figure of a dad for him. And he was feeling guilty about the fact that he killed one of his brothers because he became a monster, he couldn't help him. Like, really, it's more personal for Geralt, and it's great to go deeper with this character. You know how much I love that. For this episode, Yennefer, what can she do now? Where can she go? I really don't know. And Geralt and Ciri, they are still into that place. Are they gonna leave? Or are they gonna stay there really for all of the winter? I think that more enemies can come for Ciri. And now that she knows how to defend herself a little, maybe it can be great also to be a reminder, you know, for the viewers, for the characters, that people are after the girl. Not only creatures like that, who doesn't know who she is. Who doesn't know, during the episode 3, that creature, she didn't just attack, you know, like that to kill Ciri. She watched her, like, she looked at her, she was blocked during that moment. I don't know, it felt weird. Okay, I'm gonna stop this intro right now and let's go for this episode 4, the last one that I'm gonna watch today. Remember that if you want, you have my Patreon, on which we have 4 episodes of advance, which means that when you are watching this on YouTube, on Patreon you can already find the 8 episodes of that season 2, if you can be interested by that, with an extended or full reaction part. And you know, extended reaction part with long episodes like that, it's really longer. Again, that's the best way to support me, because on YouTube, for little reactors like me, it's rough. So if you want to support me, the best way is to come on Patreon, and if you can't, that's okay. You can subscribe, like, comment. It's also helping. Let's go for this episode 4. Oh, it's a shorter one. Only 50 minutes. That's already a lot. Okay, really, it's too hot. And when you think that outside it's freezing sometimes.
Hesitation will draw danger to you like fire, but trust the path you choose.
Still training her.
And it will protect you
Come on, Ciri.
as long as you listen.
Watch your steps.
Don't be scared. I'm not going to hurt you.
Triss, you're there?
I'm going to Camora. Is that where you're headed?
You were sent here
I appreciate the suspicion, but be reasonable.
for her? You gonna tell Geralt that Yennefer is still alive? Thank you for that.
You're a sorceress. I can't.
Yeah!
Friend, go.
A new place, you want... What I said in the review of the last episode, this universe is hard, you know, to get for people who didn't read the books and didn't play the games, and you're not making it easy.
I need to relieve myself. You reach destination by sundown. Where are you taking me? Shut up! Please stop. Don't wait. Can I?
Elves.
Yeah, but can't wait, can I? Thank you, sir. Go on then. Relieve yourself. The elves go.
The drawing behind, like,
Come on then. I have a mission to complete, we must get back to Sintra.
Sure, the Nilfgaardians will be thrilled to have me.
We'll be entering the Commander General, doubling all their rest.
Oh dear, for the elves. I didn't know.
what? You and him.
We only want to serve Redania as best we can.
What?
Good afternoon, guys.
It's poisoned. Why using him to prove your point?
Since I was 12.
Even traitors speak the truth.
He was a traitor, but he's still drunk.
Once the elves arrived up, once they've escaped to Sintra,
Sintra could be out.
if we're smart.
Really? He pushed that idea into your head? That was so easy.
I actually know this place pretty well.
Garrett told me what Teresa done for him. I invited her here. I brought her here for you, to help guide you.
If you don't hear them, we are up there. Make a move and lose your head.
Do you know who you're hating?
We're not here to hurt you.
Uh-huh.
You don't really want to hurt me.
Nope.
Domain, is it?
No one's on our side, you trusting idiot.
What is he saying?
We know they don't.
Sandpiper. Help elves get to Zintria.
If you know a way to Sintra and help us, I can assure you your pick of land on our safe return.
Accept, please.
There's no room. We'll catch the next boat. I promise.
It appears you have some use after all.
Thankfully, men remain simple.
I'm sorry.
If her mother did have powers as you say, if she was a mage who never properly harnessed, the child could have inherited an evolved version of it.
That's the issue. She hasn't exhibited any typical indicators of chaos.
Except for dreams and premonitions.
No typical.
She seems to have visions of things that have yet to come to pass. Theory found something else. A pole. Compass to a magnet, she led me straight to it.
I'm not sure that they wanted to kill her. It's weird, no?
If there is any sign of mutual genetic alchemy, and a mage has been involved, that component will glow.
You think?
But why would a mage want her?
Something dark lies ahead of her. I can feel it. That's why I'm training her. I won't be here forever to protect her. I'm sorry about Sodom.
Talk about Jennifer.
Those who died. I say their names at night when I lay down, so I don't forget. Axel, Raby, Dagobah.
Stop.
No, continue, so he knows that Yennefer is not into that list.
Everyone will know their name. You witches. You pretend not to have emotions. But you do. More love. More hatred.
She's a friend of Yennefer. I don't want her to.
Only stay.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
Same. But not for the same reason, I think. Oh, or maybe yes.
Let us escape before the guards
since the elves took refuge in Zintria, north of him claiming that we're all sleeper agents for Nilfgaard.
Sounds familiar.
All we can hope for now is to survive.
Seems like.
It's a fairy tale.
She is pregnant. I'm not sure of who we know how. Oh, I hope so, but I think you're gonna die.
I'll borrow your hope then.
I knew it, I knew it, I knew it! Fuck you! Oh no, 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 no! It's a good one. To describe my feeling right now. I knew that she was a bit. Yennefer.
You are incredible that day, Sodom. The fire. Perhaps there's a bigger plan out there for you now.
I hope so.
Better than White Flame, who brings purpose and meaning and all that. The most important thing they teach you at Artus isn't magic. It's to make people in power believe anything you want them to. Regina is a political animal trained by the best.
Yes, I bet your best. You tried to puncture my brain and extract everyone of my thoughts.
Exactly.
Yes, and it didn't work. Everyone answers to someone eventually. Even you, I suspect.
The Sandpiper.
That's the one. He performs here every night.
We know him, no? Toss a coin to the Witcher? Okay, Bon Jovi, calm down.
This religious zeal to the point.
What?
Maybe that's all it is.
You're drunk?
That's the problem. No one knows his proclivities. No one knows anything about it.
Who he is, what he is, where he is, what he wants. We need to get as much information as possible. Whoever we use needs to be inside the city walls for a while. Getting up into Sutra would be a problem.